Okay, this is going to be the solutions for Algebra Worksheet for the bridging course. All right, so if you are here, I think you should have finished the worksheet. If you have not, please go and finish the worksheet first. All right, then come and cell mark while I go through the solutions. All right, first question. 2x minus 6y plus 3x plus 4y equal. First step, we group the like terms together. So 2x plus 3x minus 6y plus 4y. See that I have put the group the like terms together, and then the y terms, which is like term behind. So equal 2x plus 3x will give you 5x minus 6y plus 4y will give you minus 2y. That's it. Minus 6 plus 4. All right, same thing. Your negative numbers operation need to be good. You need to be at least effective at it. You know, you need to have master more or less. If not, you're gonna have problem here. You're gonna hang. Your computer is gonna hang for long. I mean, your mental, your brain is gonna hang for, and you cannot process. If you can, then you'll be fast. Just the answer. And next, 5y. 5z plus 6y minus 3z plus 2y. So same thing, we group them together, the like terms. 5z minus 3z. These are like terms. Then the other two is like terms, so plus 6y plus 2y. 5z minus 3z, 2z. Very nice. 6 plus 2, easy. So 8y. Okay, this one not much of a challenge. Let's continue. Okay, we come to the square domain. 11a a square plus 8b square minus 9c square plus 5b square. So now we can see that 11a square, there is no common term with a square. So we can just leave it in front, no problem. Just leave it in front, don't touch it. 8b square and 5b square together, so we just put them together. 8b square plus 8b square plus 5b square. And then there's a 9 minus 9c square. Okay, so we see here that 11a square doesn't have any like term, so it's alone. We don't touch it, we just keep it. But b square, 8 plus 5 give you 13, 13b square minus 9c square. You're done. Next question. So same thing, jump in, identify where are the like terms. See this? Then the other two have no like terms. So we just put the like term together first. 5b square minus 2b square plus 3c square minus 4a square. 5 minus 2, easy, 3b square. The other two has no like term, so we just keep it as it is. Correct. I think this was this is a trick question I said. If you notice, there's no common term at all. And the question is to simplify. So actually it's just like that. There's nothing to simplify. It's just like this. Okay, it's just like that. This is the answer. Just for the sake of writing in the answer. Wait, how to erase? This one, that's the only bad thing about Microsoft Word. Yeah, I need to erase this. Even though I think it's wrong. Eraser. Okay. Maybe change a different color, nicer. All right. Now, next question. Why does this look like a marker? It's not right. Yeah. Okay. 5x squared minus 2y cubed plus 7x cubed minus 3y cubed. 5x cubed and 7x cubed, yes. So we just group them together. Plus 7x cubed minus 2y cubed minus 3y cubed. Okay, you see that we have grouped them together. So next, 5 plus 7, easy, 12x cubed. Minus 2 minus 3, so it's minus 5y cubed. Then we carry on. 3n plus 10 minus 4n minus 11. So same thing, group as common like terms. 3n minus 4n like terms. And then the two constant, we call this constant. So plus 10 minus 11. We put them together at the back. So this will give you minus n, which is minus 1n. Because it's minus 1, we don't put in the 1. So we just put minus n. Minus n means minus 1n. And then plus 10 minus 11 should give you minus 1. Next, minus 7x is like term with minus 2x. And then there's minus 3y, and there is plus 3y. And these two are like terms. So add them together. Minus 7x minus 2x will give you minus 9x. Minus 3 plus 3. Can see that they cancel each other? Yes. And you get nothing. Yeah, they cancel each other. There's no more y, 0y. If it's 0y, we can don't write. So this is just the answer, minus 9x.